Hello, it's Rich from 15minuteguitar.com. We've just finished a video of 15 greatest tips you need to know for improvisation. Grab your guitar, turn the kettle off, turn the toaster off, turn the phone off, and come and join us in the video. Tip number 1, less is always more. So if you can say something in a few notes, do that. Don't use 150 notes when you can say it in just 2. Tip number 2, don't just plod through your scales. Make sure you add some rhythm to it and make it interesting to the listener. It's really important. Repeat, repeat, and repeat again. Don't forget to use repetition in your playing, so create a little melody or motif and repeat that motif around and round and round so the listener gets used to it. Tip number 4, be melodic. Think like a singer, play like a singer. This is music we're trying to create, so make it musical. Tip number 5, dynamics, don't forget them. Remember, you can talk really, really quietly, and you talk really, really loudly. So don't forget those when you're playing. So just don't forget to be dynamic. Tip number 6. Be silent. Don't forget to leave gaps in between your playing. Tip number 7. Sometimes one note will suffice. Sometimes you can build up a great amount of tension with just the one note. Don't forget your dynamics. You know, you can build up, build up, build up, build up, just one note. Tip number 8, question and answer. You state one question with a lick and then you immediately answer that afterwards. Tip number 9, don't forget your structure. Build up to the solo. Don't just whittle away for the whole time you're soloing. Build up a structure. Just have a beginning, a middle and an end. Tip number 10, techniques. Don't forget your techniques. You've learnt them all. Hammer-ons, pull-offs, slides, tap-in, everything. Don't forget them. number 11, don't forget your effects. You know, don't overuse effects, but don't forget your delays, your reverbs, your whammy pedals, you know, all those sort of effects, your wah pedals. Use those to enrich your solos. Tip number 12, chord tones. Don't forget to listen to the chord movements over what you're playing, so try and follow those chords in your notes choices. Tip number 13, steal from your greatest guitarist, you know, your idols that you look up to. All the best guitarists do this. Tip 14, know your scales better than you know yourself. Know your way across the fretboard, know your 5 positions. Tip number 15, know when to and when not to engage beast mode. Hi guys, thanks for watching that video. Don't forget to head over to 15minuteguitar.com to check out our new course on improvisation. I'll see you there.